Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to merge two photos in single photo. We start by going to the first image to place, then we will right-click on it and choose Open With to select the paint program from the list. After that, we are going to minimize the viewing zoom to be able to see the composition better. Then, we will click on the selection tool. Next, we are going to go to one of the adjusters around the image, and we are going to enlarge the selection to create a larger canvas for the next image to fit into. Expand the canvas according to the form of composition to be achieved. After this, we are going to go to where the second image is, and we will double-click on it to open it. Then, we right-click on it and select the copy option. Next, we'll go back to Paint and right-click on the blank space on the canvas to select Paste. We will see that our image sticks. By placing the cursor over the image, we will see that we can move it and place it wherever we want. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. In case there is some blank canvas left, you can use the selection tool again and adjust this space. Finally, save the image as a new one to prevent the changes from being saved in the original, and you will have two photos together in one. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.